Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to make iOS 14 background wallpaper. So let's start. First you need two applications. One is Widgetsmith and another one is Scriptable. You can find both of these apps on the App Store. So download these right now. Now first open Photos. Now select a photo. I'll select this one. Now tap on the share icon on bottom left corner. Scroll up and tap on Add to Album. Here you can see I have already added two albums. Now tap on New Album and name as you like. And tap Save when you are done. Now close the Photos app and open the Widgetsmith app. Now tap on Add Small Widget. And tap on the date and time. Now tap on Default Widget. Scroll down and tap on Photos in Album. Now tap on Favorites at the bottom of the screen. Now if you scroll down, you'll see the album you have recently created. Now tap on that. And go back. Now tap Save on top right corner and your small widget is ready to use. Now go to an empty screen and long press on the home screen. Then tap on the plus icon on top right or top left corner according to your phone. Now you can add widgets. Now search for the Widgetsmith. Since you have created a small widget, select Small and tap on Add Widget, and the widget will be added to your home screen. Now tap on the widget and tap on Edit Widget. Now tap on small number 1. It will be selected by default. And now select the one you recently created. And you'll see the widget picture is now changed. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.